If you are more than 45 years and attain menopause, pregnancy seems unbelievable, is it? But with the modern techniques of IVF, we can bring back your menstruation and the uterus can be made ready for a pregnancy with a pretty good success rate.
Habayekran beginang batai kubor haka katway terik unaitung arhajar arpulai. Ka Deputy Commissioner ke District East Khasi Hills ikong RM Korba Ilong ba ke jing penjari ke kendon cispa sau pusau CrPC haka district kan terekam naduk ka khat ar terik unaitung. Tad haduk bandapen benar kumwai pat kata hadian poluan pai biang ke jinglong ke bajai haka nong ba. Ka Deputy Commissioner Kalaong bagajing penjari ke kendon cispa sau CrPC ke di Namar ki kamiashoh iadat ke belajar keleng gijaka hak nong ba. Kabalak banlam syakajing pentut ke syong suk syong san kam tam hak por men miet. Ikong RM Korba Ilong bakini ke jingiashoh iadat kila ban pentut ke imlang salang bat bo aga jingmai ki nong let nong wan. Bat bo jingmaru ke jing im jingiru pat ba. Ilong syuk-syuk baginong syong shnong ki bajai-jai ki di benrung yeng no apok ke shpo buji men miet haga jaka begin syang shani shatai hadian ke shpo buji. Namar kamlong satya ke basingan haki surok. Haga jing penjari ke kendon cispa sau pusau CrPC labatha igi dukan bam ki restaurant ne ki wegi dukan bagi dei ban pliat tang hapok ke por shpo buji men miet. Bat lamana ru bandi ikinu kudu gijing di penbuat bat bande ki kambian hapok ki kali. Nalor kania lamanaru ban penhe ikijing tem jingput hajan ki jaka pulie ki jaka meneblai ki hospital nalor ki jaka saabrio hadian ke porshpo jimen miet bat kino gi bapen kenya kini kijing mana ken sha penstam hapok ke kendon cispa prapupra jong ki Indian Penal Code.
And we have seen that people are moving in and around in vehicles which are having loud music with modified system of engines and creating a lot of noise. So creating very unpleasant feeling of fear, of uncertainness for young people to move around town. I mean, if you do go around town in the evening after 9, I don't know how many of you feel safe at all. So therefore, we have to take this decision. And after 10, I feel people should be going back to their families, should be going back time even for your workers to go back to their family. I mean, we should also think of, there's a limit for allowing people to open shop beyond 10 o'clock. Because of the various reasons or the consequences we see in and around town that, it's not safe anymore. Even for ourselves to go back home after 10 o'clock, you don't feel safe at all. We cannot say that our police personnel will be in every town and corner of the Shillong city. It's very easy for people to say so. But for us who are implementing or who are, taking care of the security, we have to take what are the costs? Why are people going out? We have to weigh the pro and con. We have to see why these things are happening. There is a reason people are going out because there's an opportunity. So if we do close this shop, 10 o'clock, come on, yeah, any normal citizen would be at home at 10 o'clock.
How long it will continue this? 144?
It will be there as long as until a little bit of sanity returns to the city.
But ma'am, how will you enforce the order strictly? Because with due respect to you, even previous order banning this local taxis, that ordering even now they're flying.
Yeah, for that, I'd like to thank you all for bringing up the topic. It will soon be in place. Everything will be in place. We had some issues earlier. Now there'll be no more issue. We'll have to do what we have to do. But we know the number of crime that is going up in the city. The drug issue that is there, everything is happening in the shelter of the dark. So we want to curtail all these issues, and for that matter, we had passed this order, and we hope that thing will be improved, and that we'll see some sanity in everyone, and that even for any normal person, I said that by 10 o'clock people should be at home rather than here and there. Even your family needs you. Please take care of your family.
Majestor jong ke East Khasi Hills uba Roni Walang ulepen pau bagi bod district jong ke East Khasi Hills ki pulet bat ki darbar shnong kila syong jingyalang bat gijat benrio na Manipur ki belawan riat tengan hakanong ba Shillong bat haduk menta kila bod dia ne ki jingdon jikini ki bariat tengan bat la shimlot ki jing tip jongki Uloong ba hadu menta kidan hinyo punyo ngot ki balawan ri tengen na kanong ba bat kini ki jingtip ki dai ki balai di ki lai tili ki jat benriau na ke jela Manipur. Ban art tili ki balang bat ki pastor ki la pentip ru ba am syam ladan chu kino ki buan pet na Manipur ki ban syong mansa aki yang mania. Uba roni walang uloong ban kini ki hinyo punyo ngot ki don ki basalang bat ki bahayang jongki bat don ru ki ba syusyong haki yang wai. Nalor kania uloong bakil dan luparu kisam lapule ki bana Manipur ki ba pule hakanong ba kat ba nagbenta kitu kisam lapule ki barang wat ki jaga pule la ai jingerap di ki bo district bakin yo ya ki jaga pule.
Deputy Commissioner of East Khasias District, myself together with the BDO of Maupat, the DYSP, in charge of the area, conducted 3 meetings. One at Madanruting Police Station in the presence of the Rangbashnong, the Senkanthai, the representatives of the Zao, the Vaipei and the Gangte, representing the Kuki tribe, who were present in the meeting that was held at Madanruting Police Station. The representatives of the 3 communities expressed gratitude to the Dorbarshnong of Madanruting and also to the police based at Madanruting Police Station for having provided protection to the migrants who had arrived in Shillong. The Senganthai of Madanruting had also extended all possible assistance, particularly to women, the old and the infirm. In the meeting, the district administration assured all possible assistance to the migrant communities, and till date we are in constant touch with them, and therefore the numbers, as has been provided by Madam DC, has dwindled. Today the number stands at 77, and this is on the submission that has been made by the representatives of these 3 communities and the 2 church denominations, the CBA, the Chin Baptist Association, and also by the Evangelical Baptist Church Convention. The pastors of these 2 institutions have also submitted reports to us stating that there are no longer any migrants that live in the church institutions, and the 77 that we have right now are put up either in the relatives' place. Some have managed to get accommodation, rented accommodation, wherein the police, through the SP East Khasias District, has facilitated in providing the police report to the Dorbarshnong so that people who look for rented accommodation are given such accommodations. Then we also have students who have come from Manipur to Shillong. Some are already pursuing their studies in the various institutions of Shillong, and some are seeking admissions into the different institutes in Shillong. The district administration has facilitated in providing them information that is necessary, and has also requested the pastor in charge of CBA, the pastor in charge of EBCC, and the representatives of the 3 communities, if at all should there be any need for admissions, considering that we are already mid-year, we would do the needful from our end. However, they have been able to manage on their own, and none had come so far in as far as seeking admissions into different institutions are concerned. May I also point out that the Dorbarshnong Lapalang, together with us, also conducted a meeting on the 20th of May 2023 at Chin Baptist Association building, wherein we had direct interactions with the migrant families, and wherein we had assured them all possible assistance in addition to police protection. We like to place on record our sincere gratitude to the Dorbarshnong Lapalang, which in the initial stage of the migration of these affected families into Shillong, particularly into Lapalang locality, had even provided them dry rations. On having interacted with them, we understood that most of them were looking forward to go back, and we are grateful to the SP of East Khasi Hills in having facilitated to ensure that there is safe passage of the migrants from Manipur who have resided in Shillong and who are willing to move back through a safe passage that was being provided by the SP in consultation with his colleagues in the other parts of Aizawl and also in Churachandpur in Manipur. So as we stand today, we have just 77 of those people who are still staying in Shillong, and most of them, or a great majority of them, are presently residing either in the relatives' apartments, the relatives' homes, their friends, and also their extended families. And a few of them have managed to get hostel accommodation since they are students pursuing their studies in different institutes in Shillong.